Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI Polaroid photo with idol for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the AI Polaroid photo looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can edit this kind of photo. First of all guys, you can install a Gemini on your phone. You can download the Gemini and then you can open the Gemini. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to create new chat. Okay, you can open the Google Gemini on your phone or on your computer guys, and then here you can choose this feature, nano banana feature. Okay, and make sure that you choose Gemini 2.5 flash, and then you're going to upload your photos. You can click on this plus icon and then select gallery, and then I'm going to choose this photo with this photo, and then I'm going to click on done. And after you have selected your photos, you can describe the image that you want to create, and you can use my prompt. Okay, take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera, and then you can click on this send button to send the photo and also the prompt, and then just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and this is the prompt, and you can modify this prompt according to your needs. And wait, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the result. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can try to edit the prompt. You can tap and hold on the prompt and then click on edit, and then I'm going to delete this sentence, for example, and then I'm going to send it. Okay, and let's see. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, wait guys. Okay, and this is the result. It looks better than before. And if you want to download it, you can click on the photo and click on this download icon, and the photo will be saved to your gallery. Okay, and it's a cool feature guys, and most importantly, it's free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI Polaroid photo with idol. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!